Hi Katherine, so here is a first pass at the laundry. I've got the whole space mapped out to reasonably accurate. Let's just orientate ourselves and then I will go into some section views and we can go through the detail of this a little bit. I'll also be sending you 2D views, and I've done a few 3D views as well. So section view, this is going to show us the entry room, the entry door wall. So this is basic ventilated or wire shelves. This design, this first pass shows 500mm shelves. Elfa also make a 400mm shelf, which is about that long, and a 300mm deep shelf. On the other wall I've shown 2 storage boards, and I can show you lots of examples of how these are used, but you can put hooks, holders, tubs, mini shelves. There's all sorts of stuff that Elfa make that clip onto these. Below that I've got a utility track, which is good for stronger, heavier duty hooks, tool holders. You can see those things there. With the tracks and the storage boards, I generally design with a bare board and a bare track, and then on install day we pick some of the detail of, you know, the little add-ons that you could have, and that won't be included in the price, so any extras you have for these bits of equipment will be additional to the main sum. And I normally tell people to ring fence a couple of £100 depending on how many boards and things you've got. And you can see I've got another storage board there, which you mentioned keys, things like that could be useful for that. Let's look at the other side of the room. Just switch that section view over, and I should have tweaked that view a little bit. Let's just do that quickly. That's better. So this is the uninterrupted wall as you walk into the space. You said you want the washing machine and the sink near the window. You can drag these, well, I can drag these models around wherever you want, so once you start to explain to me how you want to use the room, I can just reposition these things. It's really easy to do. More storage boards here, and I've shown, if we go round this way a little bit, I've shown the 300mm deep shelf there and the 400mm deep shelf there and there. I also it would be nice to, I mean, I can very quickly show you a version with solid shelves here, so 18mm thick moisture resistant MDF, white faced and edged, would be a great choice for there. Just because if you're not putting fabric and folded items on these shelves, a hard surface is often better. This is an interesting little piece. It's what Elfa called a basket shelf. It's a wire shelf with a roughly 100mm wire upstand and dividers that can be moved along and repositioned. It's really good for cleaning products, washing powder, conditioner, stuff like that, so bits and pieces you might want near this environment. The other thing that I've shown here is a shelf tray. This is a pressed sheet steel, so fairly robust. It can be mounted both ways, so you can use it as a tray with this lip if that was reversed, or you can use it as a shelf. Again, it's going to be good for cleaning products, stuff like that, easy to wipe clean. They also make that's a 250 deep unit. In fact, I can show you what that would look like. Can I? No, I've forgotten how to do that. You can, there's a shorter version of this shelf. That's, you know, I still can't find how to do that. Okay, and underneath I've shown Elfa's basket towers. It's just a very, very quick, easy, cheap, flexible way of creating a drawer type facility, rather than, you know, have cabinets built in with drawers that would cost a considerable amount of money. These units are probably, I think, about a couple of £100 each, something like that. There's three sizes of basket: 280mm deep, 180mm deep, and there's a single bay 80mm deep, which I haven't shown there, but I'm sure you get the idea. Again, really no idea how you want to use this space. It's a first pass to start the conversation. I hope that's useful.